LinkedIn is about to tell you privately that your post sounds like a robot wrote them. I mean, they are literally building a button for people to report your content as a AI slop. And if enough people hit it, you will get a notification in your analytics dashboard saying your post felt inauthentic. Not just a ban, not a reach penalty, just a quiet flag saying people could tell. While everyone has been copy pasting ChatGPT outputs and calling it a content strategy, LinkedIn has been watching and now it is building a infrastructure to call it out publicly. I think this is the most honest thing a platform has done in years. And if that notification ever shows up in your dashboard, do not ignore it. It is not the algorithm talking, it is your audience.